bruh.
Why you do 'em like
When you
that?
in this shit, you gotta take the good with the bad, and you gotta take the bad with the good. You hear me? If you can't handle that little fuck shit that come with this shit, you ain't gonna be ready for shit. You hear me? I ain't slept in 2 days, I been getting money. How you laughing and you broke? Ain't shit funny. I'ma roll the dice, nigga, I'ma take a chance. Know a nigga take it down for a couple grand. Slide down 200, picking up 200. Pop a bottle in this bitch, let's sip some. He say he need a job, I asked him could he work a scale. Ain't shit to it, nigga, you just catching sales. NewYop, this bitch cutting like a chainsaw. Keep it 1,000 with your nigga raw, that's law. 150 on the dash, crackers on my ass, best believe I'ma mash. I don't like the bread, but I'm getting to the bag. Manifest that shit and then you execute the plan. Fuck them other niggas, they ain't really with your game. Find your own lane, nigga, do your own thing. 4 pockets full, nigga, let your nuts got 'em in a choke. Reminiscing how they used to